When most people think of Milan, they think of fashion or finance or industry. Well, believe it or not, there's a great deal of great art in the city as well. I'm here in the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, and let's count down Milan's top 5. To start things off, my number 5 spot goes to the Forza Castle. Where else in the world can you find a giant medieval castle in the center of such a modern metropolis? It has turrets, drawbridges, a moat, and to boot, Michelangelo's last sculpture, his Rondanini Pietà, which he worked on up until 6 days before he died. My number 4 spot goes to one of the most unsung museums in the entire world, the Ambrosian Gallery. It's actually a museum housed inside of an historic library with masterpieces such as the Portrait of the Musician, which many believe is by Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael's full-scale cartoon for the School of Athens, and Caravaggio's beautiful basket of fruit. My number 3 spot goes to the Duomo of Milan. It's about as Gothic as you get here in Italy. And with its endless spires and buttresses and stained glass windows, it really is a celebration of medieval architecture, even though its facade is late 18th century instead. And consider that one of the most iconic details in all of Milan is that golden statue of the Virgin Mary, known as the Madonnina, that stands at the top of its tallest spire. And my number 2 spot goes to the museum that houses Northern Italy's most important collection of Italian paintings, the Breera Gallery. Masterpieces such as the Dead Christ by Mantegna, Piero della Francesca's Madonna of the Egg, Raphael's Marriage of the Virgin, and Caravaggio's Supper at Emmaus. Tough to beat a collection like that. Drum roll, please. My numero uno in Milan, and I imagine that you all saw this coming, is of course the Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. Which, yes, is almost impossible to get tickets to see, but it's very much worth your while. It's the first work of the High Renaissance, the first time that form and content come together to create something that is extraordinary. It's not for anything that it's one of the most celebrated paintings in the entire world. And even though it's in a poor state of conservation, seeing the Last Supper in person is like seeing an artistic relic. Just thinking about the fact that Leonardo was up on that scaffolding for 3 years of his life, touching that wall consistently, is enough to give me goosebumps. So folks, if you're in Italy, come to Milan and see Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here on the streets of Milan and publishing weekly.